Phil Redmond roddodd rhan Christopher Duncan I fi yn Brookside. Un rhan o'r berthynas hoyw agored gyntaf ar teledu Prydeinig. Yn ogystal y Brookside, Phil sydd tu ôl I gyfresu arloesol fel Hollyoaks a Grange Hill. Cyfresu sy'n enwog am wthio ffiniau a thrafod pynciau dadleuol.
How are you?
There you are.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Long time no see.
You've just been lucky, mate.
Did you set out in your career to force society to talk about subjects that maybe would be taboo?
No, I didn't set out in that way. What I discovered, I suppose, is that if there's something going on in society that affects a great number of people, you know, it's a legitimate target for drama. I just thought that people trying to discover their sexuality was something we really should cover. So this was an issue that was building in society, and there was something wrong, you know, that we needed to talk about, we need to focus on. And I specifically remember the Storyline conference where I was sitting at the head of the table and we were talking about Christopher and Gordon and all that kind of thing. I said, guys, it's long enough now. If they are a gay couple, I want to start seeing this. I just want to show affection, that's all.
These aren't bad.
Hold still. Pressy.
Ta.
I'll put the kettle on.
It just became crazy. You know, the Channel 4's phones lit up, the telephones melted, and this one guy phoned and he actually said, I have been unable to sleep since the episode of Brookside last night, and I've been pacing the floor at this kind of depravity that's come on. I said, how dare Channel 4? And I was reading this thinking, my God, you know.
75 degrees in the Red Sea? Why do we live in England?
I know why I do.
Me? Oh, that's sweet.
What I try to do with the shows is that I don't go out deliberately to say, this is wrong, the law needs to change, da-da-da-da. My drive is like, did you know that this is actually going on? We need to raise awareness about this, we need to discuss this, we need to have a debate about it. And the programmes are always there to create a more sympathetic environment for real campaigners to actually make progress.
Mae rhaid mi ddeud, dwi'n meddwl bod Phil Redmond wedi fod yn bwysig iawn yn y mywyd I. Beth yn help mawr I fi fel rhywun oedd just yn dechrau dygymod efo bod yn hoyw oedd y ffaith o'n i'n dysgu gymaint o sgriptiau Brookside ynglyn â sut I fod yn hoyw, pa fath o broblemau ni'n mynd I gael ynglyn â cael insurance neu mortgage. So dda'r holl bynciau, homophobia, clause 28, pob mathau bethau fel hyn I gyd yn dod yn rhan o'r storyline. Ond o'n I mor naif fy hun fel dyn hoyw oedd newydd ddod allan o'r closet fechanna. Mi oedd gynnau lot I ddysgu.
You actually helped my personal journey and made my coming out so much easier. And it's great to be able to be here 35 years onwards to actually thank you. So,
oh, it's great to
Professor Phil Redmond, you are a genius. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.